What is up, friends? It is Mladen here. I hope you're all doing well. I just wanted to make this video because it's been brought to my attention that I'm a little bit anxious and nervous. I've just been, I've just encountered some pretty big news. And one of the first things that I like to do is when something like this happens, whether I feel nervous or something overly challenging happens, or I'm really too elated or excited about something, is balancing my breathing. And I noticed that my breathing was not at a 1-to-1 ratio, it was a little bit off. This is an exercise that I love doing to bring me back into balance and just to remind myself, like, hey, it's all good. Um, Journey before destination. Let's not worry about that. Let's do something in the present moment to stabilize ourselves. And this is a breathing exercise known as the 4-4-4-4-4 method, or the 4 method, where you inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and then you repeat the process for a period of 4 minutes. So please join me with, please join me in this exercise as we just do a little bit of breathing. Oh, and breathing through nose only, no mouth. So I'll set you guys up. You may hear some music that I'm about to put on. It'll overlay. But yeah, please enjoy. What I like to do is listen, or I should say, set up my phone with a timer for 4 minutes, and we begin. And that's the 4-minute method. I hope you found some sort of balance in that exercise. This has literally been one of my secret weapons in life to bring myself present. And right now, I feel great. I feel actually phenomenal. So yeah, come back to this video if you want to just breathe and you want someone there to be with you. I've got your back. We can do this again at any time. Just come back to the video. And what you will find is that the more you focus on your breath, the more that you connect with yourself internally. And that's important, right? We need that self-awareness. We need that growth. We need that self-care, that self-love. And by doing that a few minutes a day, it can really go a very long way. Take care.